Dropping in summer 2025, the AJ1 Low OG Phantom delivers an understated yet striking look for Jordan Brand's 40th anniversary. Its Phantom, Moon Particle, Black, Chile Red, and Muslin color mix hints at refined contrast, though official color blocking is still unknown. A standout feature is the return of the oversized big swoosh, not part of the original 1985 design but a fan favorite during the mid-2010s. This bold branding update helps set the pair apart in a crowded AJ1 field while tapping into retro nostalgia. With its toned-down aesthetic, the Phantom balances subtlety and character, serving as a refined counter to louder releases in the lineup. Offered in full family sizing, it appeals to both longtime sneakerheads and new enthusiasts. A perfect blend of modern flair and heritage, the AJ1 Low Phantom is poised to stand out quietly in 2025. More release details to come soon.